Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is sign logo mockup. You can import your own text or your logo in these files. Okay, these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime all password in this app. Okay, so you need Photoshop CS plus and or CC plus. Okay, preview. You can import your own logo here. Text. Wow. Okay, simply open in Photoshop, double click here, remove this and write anything. For example, I write my channel name Sheri SK and the font color is white. Enter, Control S, and you see my name is here, and I write any other thing 202, my Control S, and you see here. Okay, now next is this one. Same thing is here. You can import your logo or you can write text, and same thing is here. Double click open and write anything you need. Logo, for example, I change logo color this one are green. Okay, Control S, and you see here is color. Okay, no, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, love this.